Hi everyone, welcome to our Bricktastics Creativity class. Let's go, let's get started! When it comes to Lego building, we're always learning. So we've also got another one here. This is where the captain has his cabin. Today we are going to do moving to the city. Today we are going to start by building our own character. The first task today is vehicles. So you can build whatever you've got, whatever you want. Building on the homes we've already got. So we're going to start adding a bit more furniture. Some of you have already thought ahead and you've already put things into your builds, into your buildings, which is great. We're going to go a little bit more into detail of that next week. So we're going to build things like beds, cupboards, fridges, computers, all of those things to go in. So that's a full-size bed for an adult or two older people. We've also got a kid's bed, and there's nothing wrong with layering the pieces you've got as well. So you know, so you can see that once I do that now, you can't see that gap that was there. Oh, I've seen some amazing work. Tom, your space build is incredible. Dali, I love the tower that you built. If you've got any questions, need any help, I'm here for you. Cannot wait to see what you guys have got for me. Really proud of you guys. As I said, we're always learning. I've learned so much from you guys as well. Looking forward to seeing you all next week. Don't forget, stay creative. See you all next week.